And with a plastic pick, not necessarily one of the metal picks, because that can sometimes jab them in their scalp. The skin is very sensitive in the scalp on anyone, but certainly the ladies. We're going to go in with a plastic pick and just kind of separate things apart to create that lift at the root, to get that big hair feeling that a lot of our clients enjoy. And that is it, guys. Finished looked. Just kind of had her bending her hair down for a little bit. She's digging it. And now we're going to pull a little photo shoot off at the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed, guys, this look. Alternative to your traditional Flexi Rod set. Tons of movement, you know, not weighed down at all. She can wear this a ton of different ways. Twist out the sides, you know, pull it off her face, however she would enjoy. Hope you enjoyed it, guys.